We turn our attention to the state of Himachal Pradesh. Another protest in the state now. Pensioners are protesting in the capital city of Shimla. After government employees have got their salaries, there's a placard stir now near the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly. Let me immediately go across to Amandeep, who's been tracking these developments very closely. Amandeep, tell us about what's happening around you.
Well, absolutely, Siddharth. Now the pensioners are on the roads and in fact they are protesting against the state government, and even they are demanding that there should be a fixed date of the pension, and their areas which are pending from past many years, their medical reimbursement, which is another pendency on the government, they demanded to reveal everything. So here behind me you can see that they are all the pensioners. So basically they are from the HRTC department of Himachal's government, and their demand is very much clear. So far they have not received the pension. Last month they are saying that they received the pension on 3rd of the date, and before that also past months on 16th they have received the pension. So there is no fixed date that when they are going to receive the pension, and that is the reason they are protesting in a huge number. Almost 8,500 people, 8,500 pensioners are affected from HRTC department only. And here I am just walking towards the protest also to show you the strength of the people who are on the roads. And this is the this protesting site is just almost 100 meters from Vidhan Sabha gate, and they have gathered here. A huge police has also been deployed, and in fact they are very much into the uncertain position, Siddharth, that when their issues are going to resolve. They all are pensioners, they are all are the old ages, but their medical reimbursement has not been released by the state government from past 2 years. So this is the biggest concern, and even they are not getting the pensions timely. When they have to get the pensions, they don't know which date. The date has not been fixed by these pensioners. So I am showing you, see, I am in the middle of the protest now, so I can show you that affected people are here. They came here from the different parts of Himachal Pradesh, having the placards in their hands and raising the slogan against the government that to fix a date. Though Sukhu government is claiming that by 10th of this month the pension will be released, but they are one of the affected employees and the pensioners who have been suffering. We will try to speak to some of them also. Sir, ये आपने प्ले कार्ड पकड़ा हुआ है, ये क्या डिमांड क्या है आपकी?
हमारी डिमांड तो ये है जी, क्या नाम हमारा जो एरियर है, कोई पेंशन का है, पेंशन का मुद्दा है, यही डिमांड है हमारी। बाकी क्या 1916 से लेकर हमारा कुछ मिला नहीं, अभी तक कोई ड्यूज नहीं मिले।
आपको ड्यूज नहीं मिल रहे हैं, और पेंशन की डेट फिक्स है आपकी कि किस तारीख को पेंशन आती है?
डेट फिक्स है, लेकिन आगे पीछे मिलती है, कभी 11 तारीख, कोई 15 तारीख, कोई 10 तारीख को, ऐसे ही।
तो आपको ये नहीं पता होता कि पेंशन किस दिन आएगी खाते में? आप
हाँ, कोई पता नहीं होता जी, कोई मालूम नहीं होता जी। हम तो बस मैसेज देखते रहते हैं कि भाई पेंशन कब आएगी, यही हमारा मुद्दा है।
तो ये आपने कभी सरकार से बातचीत की
होगी नेता लोगों ने, कि हम तो बहुत पीछे।
क्या सरकार से कभी बातचीत हुई आपकी? क्योंकि सरकार तो कह रही है कि फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस नहीं है, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा।
तो आप लोगों के द्वारा सरकार को ये जताना चाहता हूँ कि झूठ बोलना बंद कर दे। इनको 11 तारीख को 1 साल 9 महीने का इनका जो है वो टाइम पूरा हो रहा है। हमने बीच में ना जाने हर महीने हम इनको जो है अपना मांग पत्र देते हैं, प्रबंधन को भी और सरकार को भी, पर इन्हें आज तक शर्म नहीं आई कि हमारे को कभी बातचीत से बुलाया जाए। हमने धर्मशाला में शीतकालीन विधानसभा के टाइम वहाँ धरना प्रदर्शन किया, 2-2.5 हजार लोग थे। नीचे से मैसेज आता है, डीएसपी साहब आते हैं कि चलो आपको बातचीत की बुला लिया है।
आप मेडिकल मैं आई जस्ट वांट विद माय कैमरा पर्सन टू काइंडली शो यू दैट दे आर रेजिंग द स्लोगन्स। आप ये बताइए, आप सब लोग ओल्ड एजीज हैं, पेंशनर हैं, आपको मेडिकल रीइंबर्समेंट टाइम में मिलता है?
2 साल से मेडिकल का पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है ना जी, और जो बाकी ड्यूज जो सरकार ने अपने
Right, so those are the protests taking place outside the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly as we speak. We'll of course also wait for an official response from the Himachal Pradesh state government as well. We'll slip into a short break right now. Amita takes you through the news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.